Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and we have a run glitch at Dollar General right now. So stop what y'all are doing because I'm going to walk y'all through step by step how to get some super cheap, pretty much almost free cereal. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Also, before you leave the video, please hit that thumbs up button for me and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you scored this deal, and then take a second to share the video. All right, guys, let's jump right in. So first of all, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Stephanie from Crazy Deals and Steals because she posted this deal on her YouTube channel earlier today. So thank you so much. Now I'm going to have her video linked in the pinned comment down below. So once you're done watching here, make sure that y'all go and check out her video as well. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button as well if you're not already subscribed to Crazy Deals and Steals. Alright guys, so let's get into the details of this run glitch. Now this is a pickup order only. I have not tried this at the register, nor do I have self-checkout lanes at my stores, so I can't try them there either. Now if anybody does try this at the regular register or at self-checkout, please come back and leave it down in the comment section below because that always helps to share information and to let other couponers know what's working and what does not work. Alright guys, so jumping right into this deal, we're going to be picking up a total of 3 boxes of cereals. Now, I tried to do this a couple of different ways, and this was the only way that I could figure out to get it to work for me. Now, y'all can play around in the app and see what you guys can come up with, but for me, I'm going to show y'all which products that I chose and how it all worked out in the end. Now, I also wanted to make a quick note on this first item. We have the General Mills Dunkaroo breakfast cereals. These are priced at $3.45. Also, in Stephanie's video, she mentioned that she had kind of played around with the different cereals, and she had to have a General Mills cereal that was priced at $3.45. Now, the Dunkaroos was the only one that I could pull up in the app, but if you guys find anything else, please come back and leave it in the comment section down below. So, I added 1 box of the General Mills Dunkaroo cereal to my cart. Then you're going to need 1 box of the General Mills cereals that are priced at $3.25. Now, as far as I can tell, y'all can play around with this one. You can choose which one you like as long as it is priced at $3.25. Alright, and for the 3rd box of cereal, I chose the Kellogg's Mini Wheats. Now, these are priced at $3.50. Again, there are other ones that you can choose from at the price point of $3.50. But again, you guys can play around and choose 3 different types of cereal and see what y'all can come up with. If you find that any other combinations work, again, please come back and leave it down in the comment section below. Alright, now you're only going to need 2 coupons in order for this deal to work. So you're going to need the 1 off 3 DG Store coupon for these cereals, and then you're going to need the 1 off 2 General Mills cereal digital coupon. Alright, now once you add all of those items to your cart, your original subtotal is going to be $10.20. And again, with the coupons, the sales, and whatever is triggering this glitch, it's going to say deals applied at $10.10. That brings your subtotal to just 10 cents for 3 boxes of cereal. Now, in order for your Dollar General pickup order to go through, your total needs to be at least $1. So y'all can throw in a couple packs of gum, you can throw in a bottle of water, a pop, or you can choose something from the dollar aisle. Now, we also have several really cheap deals with coupon matchups this week as well. So for my extra item that I threw in, I chose the DG Health Triple Antibiotic Ointment. It's $2.60. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that leaves me paying $1.60. So after I added that triple antibiotic ointment to my cart, that brought my subtotal to $1.70. Again, with that triple antibiotic ointment, that is $1.60 all by itself. So the 3 boxes of cereal are still 10 cents for all 3. Now, unfortunately, at my Dollar General, they did not have any available pickup times for this evening. However, I find that really hard to believe because they rarely get pickup orders. So I do have to run out and grab some milk anyway. So I'm going to swing by there and I'm going to go in and just ask and see if they can go ahead and fulfill that pickup order for me while I'm there versus waiting until the morning. So if I come across any hiccups, I will definitely come back and let you all know with a pinned comment or a post in the community tab. But I think this is going to go pretty smoothly. And then also I just want to make a quick note, when you guys are checking out and you have those cereals in your cart, you can check the little box that says allow substitutions so that they can substitute in another cereal at the same price point. So again, this is a pickup order only. So this is the cereal deal written out all by itself with the brands of cereal and the price point. So again, I picked up one of the General Mills cereals, the Dunkaroos priced at $3.45, one other General Mills cereal priced at $3.25, one of the Kelloggs cereals priced at $3.50. The coupons that I used was that 1 off 3 DG Store coupon for the cereal and the 1 off 2 General Mills cereal digital coupon. That's going to be paying 10 cents for all 3 boxes. But then again, don't forget to add in at least a $1 item to get your total over that $1 mark so that your order will go through and not get booted out of the system. Now, before y'all go, I did want to go ahead and remind you that I did upload the Good Deals and Glitch List video earlier today. So if you missed that, definitely go and check it out, especially if you need some ideas for a little add-on to get your subtotal over $1, because we do have some pretty good deals with coupon matchups this week at Dollar General. So I'm going to have that video linked in the pinned comment down below, right along with the link to Stephanie's Crazy Deals and Steals YouTube channel. So y'all make sure that you go and check out both of those videos. And again, don't forget to make sure that you are subscribed and turn on those notifications and make sure that they are set to all so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And starting tomorrow, I'm going to be uploading my first video for the clearance event. We're going to go over visuals, coupon matchups, awesome deals. We have freebies and overage. So y'all definitely do not want to miss out on that. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I wish each and every one of y'all good luck. I hope y'all can get out there and grab up some of this super cheap cereal. And again, big shout out and thank you to Stephanie from Crazy Deals and Steals for sharing this deal with everybody. Now, on your way out, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me and leave me a comment down below. Let me know how y'all are doing today and if you get in on this deal. And also, please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful evening and I will see you on the next one.